Hey, my name's Darren, and I just have to give this testimonial because seriously, I was in another program before finding this community, and this changed everything for me. This is just a different space completely to anything else I've experienced out there. And I've been in business for over 19 years in another field. But when I joined this program, I made my full investment back within 10 days. And I learned the skills, not just from the program itself, but from the live and interactive mentorship coaching calls from six and seven figure earners that just blow my mind every single day. I keep pinching myself every day, even now, for the value that I get from this program. And it is such a wonderful space to exist and grow your business that I'm not going anywhere else. This is it for me. I don't need to go anywhere else. I see the value in this every single day. And if you're someone who's been looking for an online business opportunity and you don't just want another course that's out there for someone to say, do you know what, get this course and good luck, all the best, that's not here. We hold your hand, and the support I've had is amazing, and it is very exciting. I can't wait to see what happens in my business this year. It is taking momentum. I'm making sales in my sleep whilst I was on holiday, whilst I've been out on dog walks, and having the opportunity to ask questions directly on a live call and having that mentorship makes all the difference. So if you're looking for something, in my opinion, you're in the right place. I can't say enough good things about this. Take care.